Walk in this direction right so and go around the roundabout and we're gonna go through all of them places and go in our town. You know what I mean? I wanted to do something a little bit different. Yes, Elder. Blessings. You see me? So yeah, massive, if you're new to Jamaica walk by, this is our roots and culture. So we do Jamaica walk by. You understand? We're out in our street the right way. You see it? No joke, no doubt. So this is it. So the camera now got up on me. You understand, the rain a drew a little bit, but we can go through. You see me, I say? So camera now got up on me. We just have to show you exactly what the place look like. The whole vibe. You know, people just chilling, having fun, naturally in our street. Everything where goes, I just saw it go. You understand? Jamaica walk by. So look which out with there. We're supposed to have a clear idea which part we're there right about now. As we do this like that. See how some people send a camera go and sell something over here, so it's just natural. Beg you around them, teacher. Oh. Yeah. Greetings, greetings. Blessed. Yeah, massive. So look good. Are you ready? Let's do this. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. You know, I could shortcut go through this, but we're not taking it. We're going to walk around the roundabout. You understand? Look like the rain all that Jew. You don't want to rain to them, my friend. Easy the rain to the Jaja. Hold up your foot. Look like I crossed at the wrong time. Rain. I may never seen a spot with no shelter. But make we do it. Well, see all the general here. I sell out as well. In pro box up in. So I'm going to see if I can get a little shelter there. So. Hard thing we cross. Alright, your pro box, I'm going to make a little shelter from the camera here, you know. Yeah, Jamaica walk by, you see it. Ah, yo, that is it. Yeah. Come and teach me give some big pro about the city rain. I can't sit down like that, sir. Because God don't want the camera here right up. Ah! Like I'm yard. Yeah, massive, look good. So right now, I'm the right one general. The general has sell some portable chair. You know them chair, yeah? When you want to go to a party there. And guess what I know? You don't know where to sit down. You just walk with this. Anywhere you can sit down. See him over there, so watching catching the rain. Watch him, man, so right here up on the roundabout, massive. If you don't want them chair from carpet, look over there, so. Carpet, see him all that test the chair there, show no. And him look like him weigh a pound, couple pounds in and see they're not tear down. The chair not even set good on the ground, but I look at him and sit down in it and he now move. See there, loo the table over there, so too. You understand, massive, want to know about this? Understand? So, the general out here, so, he might go and sell one. Me have no number, like if persons want, they can call and say, yeah, they out there today, so we can circle you. 449 7087. Alright, so 449 7087. What the general name?
Carpet.
Carpet. Oh, they just call him Carpet Man. Now, you know, if you play football in Jamaica, your name Baller. You understand? If you cook soup, your name Soupy. Yeah? So like I'm sell carpet, Indian Carpet Man. Don't play the champ. So Ludi now. See there. Them Ludi board there look well done. You understand the man wrapping a plastic and all them thing there. You have a carpet them in the pro box. So no give him a call. Anyone who want to circle the side there, I want two of them cheer ya. Yeah, you don't know. For the Rebel Salute, the Sumfest, all of them thing there. Or you just want one cheer for just walk around anywhere you go, you can catch your buttocks and easy back. Alright, that's all. So right now the rain just a Jew and we just a go easy back. I see the right pan the roundabout here. Between Spanish Town and Old Harbour Road. I would have want the name again. Angels Road, that's all. St. John's Road. That is it. I see a road that you travel for go Angel. Alright, that's something there. And the G, let me sit down on the poor box, rent free. Alright, that's how we are going easy look a bit till the rain drew off and thing. If me didn't know, I walk with the other camera now because one of my subscribers they actually get me the Osmo Pocket 2 waterproof case. That would have work, but through me have the 3 right now. You don't know me not have no waterproof case with that one here. You see me? But me there, man, I go easy with carpet, man. And we are going to make sure say thing them sell off same way. How much I want for each of them? 2.5 and 3.5 a one. Oh, the one there over there, so the one there, which one of them? Oh, it's a chair and stool in a one. Watch a man, thing. Easily. Oh, you mean? So right now, see shelter here for the meantime. Pro box. You know what I mean? The rural equipment them. You understand? No joke. I just go and brace right there, so I know so watching natural life. Oh them papa! Man! You mean? So channel name Jamaica walk by. So I go walk out the whole of Spanish town and just whole of vibe, whole of energy, reason. Talk to people them are foreign who are want to see places a long while. And the whole of your family them are going to see them and say, then whole of them going to see you from Jamaica walk by and go and do it chop. Oh you mean? Alright, that's how they are easy. So we can bring down some blessing for the general. I hope by later all of them cheer gone. Sell out. Easy. You see me? No joke, no doubt. All I'm massive if you not watch thus far and not yet like the video, I not yet subscribe, please me I beg you subscribe. We there do the walk for 1 million subscribers. So you know a thing go. That are the initiative for December. We are trying to see if we can get 1 million subscribers. It's a big number, it's a massive number. But we have faith so we can do it. And they say if you have faith as smaller than mustard seed, you can move mountain. And I know say my faith bigger than one mustard seed right now. Sure about that. You understand? I know say mustard seed small, my faith big. My faith good and bigger than that be my. So I know say we can do it. No joke, no doubt. As we just go and take it easy, make it rain brush off. You see me? Easy. So massive as we there, the general say a blessing this, you understand? So he said just walk in a little jewelry man and go on man and just receive the blessing. So and that's what we are gonna do. Oh, whole heap you have man. See the whole heap over here man, carpet man for real. So they come through and come by. So big up yourself my teacher. Look how more see? Cool. Respect for the shelter. As a matter of fact, let me see me can grease your palm, you know what I mean? Make you start off a blessing. Buy my lunch today. Because you know the shelter go. Make you start off it. Big part, me can't even show what we give. I just want to know say, if I my drink can buy today. Big up, hear that my teacher? Respect. We're outside massive. Because if in there, so right now me that wet up. So we are go through. Look good. Hold up a road roundabout. And I say, you know, say if you share a liquor what you have, God will always bless you, you know what I mean? No joke. For me that alone can start off a sale, because sometimes you just want a little push, you know? Start off a sale and thing. God bless him. Because when I go there a while ago and beg him a seat, him just say, yeah man, sit down man and get the local shelter from the rain and thing. And guess what him do? Him sit down in the rain. I look on that different. Because you can see a film look a seat spot me end up taking up. I'm just sit down in the rain and just go and jew out and I say I bless him, you know. When I say clean hearted people like them, they have to support them man. No joke, no doubt. So let's do this. So right now, we just turn up on Wellington Street. Spanish Town. Yeah, man. Let's go. Yes, Godfather. That is it. Just do it like this. Yeah. Mad, the teacher. Outside. Oh look. Don't know scrap metal. A big thing in Jamaica. Get it right. What you mean? Yeah, teacher. Spanish town. Don't know the how much I want to normally swim in the canal. Yeah. Oh. No joke thing. Manners. I beg you subscribe, see it? Jamaica walk by. See it? Wellington Street. You know, if I see you, they still have to ask. I'm Martin. Manners, see? I'm Martin. So massive, when I talk about swimming in the canal, let me show you now a vibe. So we have some youth right now have the best time of their life. When I was telling about when I normally go, I swim one place in the whole hour. So right now we're on Wellington Street. So I see some youth down here, so I swim. So I can check it out. Mad thing. Remember them days, youth? Better say that chuck off in the canal again. A Jamaica walk by, you see it? Yeah, man. Massive, but this be a talk about. But look good. That is it. Look good. And them sit there alive. Yeah, man, and them sit there alive, massive. Look good. This Jamaica walk by, you see it? That is it. Them sit there, yeah, I'm sorry, I don't have time again to do them sitting here, brother. Eh? I tell you, man, Jajado, Spanish Town, Wellington Street, they don't do anything, go. Bad, big up the G, look good. Go on, give me some. Make sure say you're good enough. That is it. Yeah, a Jamaica walk by, is it? So massive, this is real canal vibe. This is real life. When you're a youth in a Jamaica and want to have fun, and this we do. Canal. Because water pretty. Oh, you mean, man? And them a live. Yeah, right on the capture hand side with the speed town. Look good. What? That is it. Outside. Big up on the side. You hear that? Cool. Wait, you can't swim? You can swim too? But you not just see swimming, man. Big up yourself. See it. Yeah. So you not swim? You? Oh, you not swim? You not swim? Yeah, man, have fun. See you, man. Go on again, my soldier. Outside. Ready? Go on. Respect, you hear that? Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. It's just a vibe, it's an energy. Both time we have to just live G. Tell them say life sweet. Yeah. No joke, no doubt. Yeah, massive, when I watch this far, remember, you subscribe. All I massive know about canal, them thing I call canal. Swimming night good for all sort of things, you see me? Yeah, just the whole vibe too. Yeah, so as we continue, we're there Wellington Street. Ah, we can't fall around them, man, because more time we see them, they like the camera, you know. You understand? Come through my church sister. Yeah. Look good. Mad thing. Look good. Alright, so we have some jail. Yeah, I don't mind you have two artists, you know. I don't mind you have two artists, Bridget, you know. Because for them time, you know. I mean. You're real youth. Big up yourself. Jamaica walk by YouTube channel, you see me? Respect, respect. A while ago me want Ashim, I see that bar a while ago, come look like she lucky bar. Eh? Look good now, man. Tell us a beautiful ladies that shine, man. Look how you come out all of them tattoo there in your hide. For Jamaican ladies, them not hide and then look so, you know. Tell her, man. You know, help me, man. Big up yourself. What? Make sure say artist, you know.
Make sure me artist.
One Jamaica walk by. That is it. Ah, here what we know. So now you don't have to put on a shirt, man. You're good, man.
Alright, the whole world more of you are going now. More spliffing up.
So tell them what your name and all them things how we can find you. Make sure you do that after you
Father Melvin this and all Father Melvin in the world.
That
you
is
understand? Spanish town with it. You listen, you understand? One Spain town. You understand? Yeah, so we don't know. Call it on the vibes corner. You understand? Look, oh girl, tell me what you want, you know. And tell me what you need. So look, oh girl, tell me what you want, you know. Boy, you want broke me speed. Boy, she want rum. Rum, ma'am. Give her hard, make she run, go tell her mommy. Boy, she want rum. Rum, ma'am. Give her hard, make she run, go tell her mommy. Because when me wheel it, me say enough girl feel it. But she want conflicts until when me wheel it, me say enough girl.
Wait. Me don't know say same bad. I same thing bad. Wait, you didn't tell me say same thing bad. Come in, man. Wheel and
real life, man.
Wheel again, man. Easy.
One Father Melvin, man. Tell them.
Father Melvin.
Yeah, man. Tell them so when we wheel it. We see enough girl feel it. Oh, she want conflicts and when we wheel it, me say enough girl feel it. Oh, she want how would the girl you want, you know? How would the look girl you need? How would the look girl you want, you know? Oh, she want man fi blow steam. What Jennifer Paulette and Christine go in at the best straight and come back out clean. There's something with the ifat. You know never in a man a force in the blank. It hard fi go in. Eat the vegetable, eat the butter bean.
You can't let me. We have to get one more. Jamaica walk by. That is it.
Life, man. One Father Melvin, man. Spain town.
I hear time now.
We're full of it. Believe no, man. Some little girl that go like big man. Show them go for the pan them front. Go for the pan them front. Go for the pan them front. Some little girl that go like big man. Show them go for the pan them front. And I run down one bag of man. So little girl go to school go take your education. Take your education. Take your education. Little girl go to school go take your education. And take your mind off for one bag of man. Look how your books them dear. And your mama fear get taxi fare. And you walking like you just don't care. So look how girl tap take taxi man over there. Some look how girl are going like big man. Show them go for the pandem. I go for the pandem. I go for the pandem. Some look how girl are going like big man. Show them go for the pandem front. And I run down one bag of man. Hold on there. You feel like
hey,
get where we come from.
Hey, me say you have to get a piece of one mic. You understand? I wonder we are do next week Saturday. Because we have to give a piece of one mic.
Where there, man?
You understand?
Well active, man.
Yes, sir.
One Father
Your Instagram. You're there on Instagram too?
Father, we tell you, never Insta could get Instagram here. I tell you. You want your bother.
So, if all that massive them want to find you, you know, how we can find you?
Find me right here, sir, man. One call it.
Vibes corner.
Yeah, man. Come on, you know. In a real life, though, you know, say one Father Melvin there on TikTok too, you know, you see me?
Oh, so you're on TikTok?
Yeah, but watch you know, if you don't find me, you find Insta Dan or you find one gigs Dan. So you go find me.
That
Father
is it.
Melvin.
A bad artist. Wait, so one more tune before you cut.
Dan, one Father gigs. Yeah, one Father Melvin. No Father gigs, you know, one gigs.
That is it. But why you drop
gigs
one
Dan,
more tune before you go?
In a real life, one more tune. Yeah, man. Hungry is a man, no ramp with nobody. hungry. The other day took me now my belly, me say hungry. Upon nobody, nah, no mercy, upon nobody, nah, no pity. I me say nah, nah. I me say nah, 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 nah. I me say nah, nah. Nah, yeah, I me say hungry. Is a man no ramping nobody. Hungry the other day took me now my belly, me say hungry. Upon nobody, nah, no mercy, upon nobody, nah, no pity. I me say no una one and hungry a bite. Also me go also couple back to last night. Me get $10, me say me feel alright. Me go up at the shop and say hello, good night. Sell me off a bull like because they burn, them a bite, them a kick, them a chop, them want to clot out me try. When down in my belly come like a world war, we burn my job. Easy, one father Melvin man.
Man, hey, touch me the man.
In a real life.
One Jamaica walk by, you see me?
Man, make the world know, man. One
that is it.
Man. In a real life family, man.
Hey, me rate a youth here, though. From me see energy across the road, there. See who you make a star, you gonna find that out. Yeah. So all Jamaica, I mean not tell you, man. Yeah, me rate the energy, me G. You actually shot me a sound like you do music for about 15 years. 15? The thing is solid.
I'm a band, man.
For your band?
Yeah, man. Anybody can tell about Tawes Pen, man. They can tell about Thickman promotion, the party them used to keep High Friday, Fire Tuesday. All of them party them, man. You see me? Angel and the girl them. All of them pass through already, you know, being all of them. They know the thing. You see me? But them never see me. But me did I look upon them as a young youth in that place. You see me? Yeah, man.
You're solid. Solid. Yeah, we know say all the people are going to circle you. All have a vibe. But like the energy so far, the atmosphere nice and easy. You understand? So right now we not hear about Spanish sound in the media mix up for you a long time. I love that. Because me been I say yo, I walk through Spain and them look at things when I say I go easy off a little bit. I may say alright then at the time. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You understand? No joke, me teacher. And blessings. Because I walk on the whole of Spanish town, you know. And just I walk, look what I go on, see everything good. That me believe in. So all the dog are easy. Look good.
One bullet.
No joke thing.
I'm near one bullet, man. I'm here in power, man.
That is it. Our teacher, we are going through. Blessings. See it? Respect. Yeah. What a show massive. No can't pay for that. My beautiful friend, big up, which are your spot, them I could big up all I place them.
Yeah, in a real life, it's a young bling spot, you know the thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Young bling spot.
Bling.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
All I general them. I'm not afraid of camera.
No, sir.
That is it.
Yeah, vice paper, man.
Yeah, easy. Young bling. See them about everything there, man. Great spot. See them? See if you have all the money you want to come try and make back some money. See all the machine them there, man. Beautiful ladies there about to them, man. I wonder who far. Mine, you know. Yeah, that is it, my teacher. How you been? We outside.
Them know say yes, you know. I do it.
Come true, my teacher.
Let me hear that friend, yeah. Alright.
Big up yourself, my teacher. Yeah, no joke. Yeah, right, so I see how well I got my 4 chain up with the lock up.
Yeah,
for your engines are right on the front massive and you can't miss it. Want to support the thing. You understand? I smile bright from way over there, so do.
Yeah, man.
Boy, you afraid of camera. But artists, blessings and respect, you understand? Me rate you do. Now make sure I put up them clip here differently so people can see it. And I'm going to link up on your TikTok.
Yeah.
So we can hold back a link from the song.
You know, if you don't see me, Insta done. You understand?
You don't have a phone for you?
Phone and charger now.
I left my number so you can link me. So we can make sure send you the link. You see me? See, you're my teacher. Yes, you're virgin. I drop my digits in my phone so you can link me so I can send anything them to you when it drop. Because I don't want to search for you and can't find it. You understand? Anyone here virgin them?
Anyone have everything them, man.
Let me drop my digit in your phone. Oh, more one phone me can drop my digit so him can Jamaica walk by.
Oh, I see you chatting.
Yeah. So here massive, look good. It's a vibe there go on wall. You understand? No joke, no doubt. You know anyway artists then you have to find artists then. And a normal chap, look good.
So we deal with that.
But then K1LLING again, when
alright, that's all. I listen garden.
Yeah, in Listen Garden.
Yeah.
And some persons call over that side at sometimes.
Yeah, Cool It Town.
Cool It Town.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean, so it look like say, scrap metal and thing, yeah.
So you know we don't have time for you.
No joke, see the massive scrap metal. So no buy and sell and straight through.
So we protect the local one them in our village and nothing to.
That is it. Oh, you mean, respect a man as man. Oh, you mean. Yeah, get the phone and fire, me drop my digits. That you know I can't a while ago, Kaks. Oh, you mean? what vibe bad, no joke. Yeah. Yeah, massive, I not go run the artist bad. Want to support the artist, you understand? Was a great energy, you can't pay for that, you understand? We're there in a Spanish town and we not reach nowhere yet. And it's just a vibe and an energy from me reach, you understand? No joke, no doubt. You see it? So we're just gonna walk through, we're gonna have a nice little vibe, we're gonna reason the people, them say my church sister over there, so. Alright, my church. You smile bright though.
Man.
Yeah, man. I remember dropping it right, that's so real quick.
That, man, you
know? What
I
mean?
True, family, man. I'm telling you, man. Yeah, man.
Spanish town, so see digit there. Right. Jamaica walk by. See, my name Fabian. Right. So lock it. Fabian, Jamaica walk by. I either shot me on WhatsApp so we can chat from this. Because you have to go get peace at One Mic. So One Mic is a program we have on Edge 105 FM every Saturday. You understand? We stream live on Jamaica Walk by TV too. You understand? Over 2,000 viewers every week I watch. So you think I will start somewhere? True. Real way, see? Big up on man as always. That is it. We go through. Yeah. No joke, no doubt. Teacher, look a bit, see? Connect. Outside again, massive. No joke. What a vibe. Artist full of energy. Long time I do it. Spain town. Look good. As we go through. Yes, fire. Big up. A mad thing, man. Colonel. So massive if you watch so far and you not subscribe, please me I beg you subscribe to the thing. You see me? No joke. It's a vibe. So over on the left we have high rise. You understand? Yeah. What a vibe, what a energy. So far. Alright, give me 1 second of time to shoot your time. I'm going to do it also. See how one nice beautiful lady, I'm going to make sure all the camera for me. And my time to shoot it, see right here. The church sister, big up yourself. Jamaica walk by me, I beg you hold the camera for me so I can time my shoes this. Yeah man, just hold it right there so man, good man. See, verse and you can't point anywhere you want.
You. Oh, you're glad to hold the man camera.
I saw you go man.
Yeah man, in a Tawes Pen, walking through.
Yeah man,
Angela.
deal with it.
Yeah, all the taxes people.
Yes.
Yeah, we're sitting on the ends doing hair, all these things, you know?
Yeah. Alright, big up yourself. Wait a second, watch out, she I know. Alright, but that video no good. Alright, so big up yourself.
I church, we are going to keep this there.
No, me actually I walk and video the whole Spanish show. Jamaica walk by this video. But just walk through all the vibe with the over there. So we over by K1LLING a while ago, we out there with the DJ there, but just a whole vibe and just a go through. So massive as you can see, with the, as I look center camera car, high rising. You understand? The place feel light and nice. I wish I not just done clean up. We're not going good. Touch it, man. What you mean, man? Share eye. We not video because soon you can see them when you switch out the camera show. Yeah. So over there, so high rise massive. So like people that will fall from the place for a long time. We not get to see the place now. Look good. You understand? No joke, no doubt. It's a vibe. So I walk on the stop. Reason. So right now I walk from roundabout and I go straight in the town, walk out the town, all a vibe, show the people them how the place set up, and some drone shot from the sky and things like nice. Yeah. You know? Jamaica walk by, big up yourself. Yeah. Respect.
That's your name on TikTok?
Yeah man, Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Yeah, on the video you tag you.
Video me and tag you, me tag you, not tag you.
Alright, take it easy, yeah? Blessings. All the dog get video. Big up yourself. I can better say, in name Brownie. Or Spreckles. Look on. Yeah. Don't joke. Yeah. That's how we do it, massive. So the official name for that says Wellington Street. So we are Wellington Street, the Spanish store, that's our whole vibe. And we'll take a look at time, go through. You see it? Yeah. Boy, time I fly fast. You know? So, let's go. Yeah, my teacher, beg you subscribe to Zin Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. We are tour around the whole Spanish town just like this. See it then, man, that's a walk. It's a vibe. Yeah. Mr. Man walk out from all over got me a penny now. YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. Yeah, respect. How you mean? So Wellington Street with the on massive. Wellington Street. And over there so them call it high rising. What go on, my friend? Can't get a shout out by a TikTok. Jamaica walk by. You're not afraid of camera? Not bad afraid of no camera. Beautiful ladies not shy, no man. Alright, big up yourself, see you. Oh, your TikTok. If you're not, tell me your TikTok. Make sure to Instagram? None of them? Eh, alright, elbow bong, see you. How are you, sir? Big up, is it? Cool. Now beg you subscribe. Jamaica walk by, see? Yeah, Jamaica walk by. No joke, no doubt. It's an energy. We just go through. Respect. A friend beg you one subscribe now. Jamaica walk by. YouTube. We say you go subscribe. We can take a word for it. You're on TikTok. So I can get a shout out. Instagram. You're on Instagram. I don't have a video here yet. I ask you first. Come through Bad Rider. Beg you run. Alright, see it, I'm just sit down right on the corner. So YouTube channel at Jamaica walk by, see me not have video yet. So we walk out the whole of Spanish on our video. Just that. Look good. So it's Jamaica walk by on YouTube. You want a shout out? Why your Instagram? Well, I make you find it that way they not last it. At least I can get a tag in the video. Alright, see it here. Oh shoot. All you know for it. Find it. Yeah. I rise up. Yes, my friend, I put out me can't go get strength over there so to you know. You follow it? Yeah. Alright. That is it. So you afraid of the camera? I want to show you. Afraid of the camera? Alright, big up yourself. Hey, Bob, see you. Are you subscribe? Yeah. Alright, thanks. See? Outside with it. Alright, cool. Yeah, man. Big up yourself here. Outside. Yeah, look good. Look what out with it. It's a vibe. We just a walk through, we just a go through. Alright, that is it. Look good. What? If free Wi-Fi there for real? Yeah. Mad things, a massive it real. Yeah. Jamaica walk by. Jamaica walk by. YouTube and thing. YouTube and thing. We walk through on that video. Why me not an artist down there? Big up man, take it easy, see it? Don't worry yourself, man, alright? Alright, we're going to cross, we're going to cross. Teacher, let's see our word. Alright, you said no video over there, so we don't have video over there, we not go around anything at Jamaica walk by. I still don't like when you check out the channel, you see me? Yeah. I'm a teacher. But anyways, a blessings and love see you, you see it? That is it. Yeah. So we know we are going to spread the love see you, so you don't know, check out the channel, Jamaica walk by, see me bro? So maybe all the friends and my family they find one see how it turn look, you can just shot it go give them, you see me? Big up yourself. Yeah. See I say they don't want the no camera at all. The video that I thought. But we are going through. Yeah. So I laid that show because I tell the ladies say yo G them say they don't want to get part of video. Blessings be teacher, respect. Yeah. So I had a joke thing I have to walk through. So this is one of the things why I stick on the main when we do videos them bro. Cause sometimes when I go or veer off in a community like that, man them just don't want to dip on a camera or none of them look a thing there. But at the end of the day, I just saw a thing go. And everybody I go dip on it and thing, you see me? But remember that cemetery? Yeah. So more time if them don't showcase themselves in a them community, me don't really make it bother me. Me just walk through and go through same way. You see me? The lady who sell the clothes, she want me actually pass through and just show her thing them, but me just change my mind because yeah, the general in this side of her I say, yo, if no want to on the camera and I feed them little things. So I just saw it go, we just go through. You see me? Man as me teacher up. Yeah. But we just go and do it. One Jamaica walk by. Cemetery still there. What you mean? As you go through. So massive you know so we not cut and I walk one just go on so you can see exactly how the street set up, things where you can do and things where you can do and where you cannot do. You understand? And how you actually deal with a situation if you get up in night. You see it? No joke, no doubt. Let's go. Let's go. Spanish Town. So for those of you who actually there from them time, the Spanish Town is actually the third video we ever done on Jamaica Walk By. That's years ago. Years ago we do that, you see me? Yeah, no joke. Accident. Yeah. Another day in Jamaica, bus side tear off, car side tear off.